our shul, which was Orthodox, even though, as I say, we really weren't Orthodox in the sense that the Shabbos wasn't what it would be if my father didn't work. But on the other hand, that was the only thing he and my mother knew was because Reform was already there in Providence. We had a Reform temple, but they were like, I mean, the expression you heard most of them, they were the goyim, and it's funny to say it but that's what it was. The average European Jew from the Eastern Europe, they looked at Reform as and also they used to call it the Deutsche shul, the German shul,